Hi guys, I have something to show you guys, something that I've been waiting for a long time and it's finally here. And here it is. Okay, this is a new flash from Onsmo. So today we're going to do an unboxing. I'm very excited because I've been waiting for this for a long time and it's finally here. I think I'm the first one in Malaysia to have this, so I'm very excited. So let's check it out. Okay, and here we have the new bulb. Okay, so this flash is a studio flash. Okay, so it is actually a rebranded version of the Godox AD600 Pro. So in Malaysia, it is called the Onsmo Z1 Pro. I like Z. Okay, since this is my flash, the first thing I'm going to take off is all this thing. So we are going to take this off. Okay, now we're going to put on the flash first. Okay, then we have a battery. We need a battery anyway, and we have the charger and the cable for us, which is from Malaysia. Okay, we're going to put this away. We're going to close this up. Okay, let's check out the flash. This is a studio flash, 600 watt seconds. I love it. Okay, new style. So we're going to put in the flash tube now. I hope I get it correct so you can see. Now it goes like this. Okay, and let's put on the battery. Sorry. Okay, check it out. Very sleek. I like that it sits flat on the table like this and like this. With this on, it looks so nice. Okay, so the whole thing is like this. Let's turn it on. I think there's still a little battery left. Okay, check it out. Okay, so I'm going to do a full test of this flash soon. This is just a very fast unboxing to show you guys. I'm very happy to have this, especially this. No more clickety sound. Okay, and the whole flash is very sleek and very nice. I like the standard reflector, which also doubles as a whole case, I think, cap for the flash. So that's all guys. So wait for my next video where we will do a proper test to check out the color accuracy, the consistency of the flash, the recycling time and so forth. Bye!